got the sisters in the house. That's what the word is. Oh, I got it. Brothers and their sisters. There we go. Like, that's a special organization. All right, Ashley West, guess what? I am going home with these guys, the Aruba Giants.
Sounds like paradise.
Doesn't it? Not as paradise as here.
I don't know about all that.
So, this is the happiest place on earth.
Oh, true. All right, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Welcome out to ESPN World Sports and the 2014 Disney's International Salute to Baseball Awards Ceremony. My name is Ashley, this is Carlos, and I think we're ready to get started. We have our group of athletes coming to the stage that are our consolation runner-up for Boys U8. Put your hands together for the Aruba Giants! Congratulations to John Carlos Steinbach! Jaden Peters! Brenda Mario Angela! Zidane Gomez! Jaden Gomez! Gennard Deluvia! Generique Maduro! Sergio Trump! J-Rick Willerman! Michelle Cornell! Shame.